It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. God has entrusted me with myself. We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. There is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will. People are not disturbed by things, but by the view they take of them. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants.
No man is free who is not master of himself.
If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he is not, but rejoices for those which he has. It is the nature of the wise to resist pleasures, but the foolish to be a slave to them. When you are offended at any man's fault, turn to yourself and study your own failings, then you will forget your anger. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Skillful pilots gain their reputation from storms and tempests. It is impossible to begin to learn that which one thinks one already knows. Imagine for yourself a character, a model personality, whose example you determine to follow, in private as well as in public. Keep silence for the most part, and speak only when you must, and then briefly. Never in any case say I have lost such a thing, but I have returned it. Is your child dead? It is a return. Is your wife dead? It is a return. Are you deprived of your estate? Is not this also a return? The world turns aside to let any man pass who knows where he is going. Men are disturbed not by things, but by the view which they take of them. Only the educated are free. You are a little soul carrying around a corpse. Make the best use of what is in your power, and take the rest as it happens. All religions must be tolerated, for every man must get to heaven in his own way. Know, first, who you are, and then adorn yourself accordingly. No great thing is created suddenly. Be careful to leave your sons well instructed rather than rich, for the hopes of the instructed are better than the wealth of the ignorant. Is freedom anything else than the right to live as we wish? Nothing else. First learn the meaning of what you say, and then speak. Difficulties are things that show a person what they are. It is not death or pain that is to be dreaded, but the fear of pain or death. It takes more than just a good-looking body. You've got to have the heart and soul to go with it. All philosophy lies in 2 words, sustain and abstain. If one oversteps the bounds of moderation, the greatest pleasures cease to please. Do not seek to bring things to pass in accordance with your wishes, but wish for them as they are, and you will find them. We should not moor a ship with one anchor, or our life with one hope. Silence is safer than speech. If you wish to be a writer, write. If you desire to be good, begin by believing that you are wicked. Neither should a ship rely on one small anchor, nor should life rest on a single hope. If you seek truth, you will not seek victory by dishonorable means, and if you find truth, you will become invincible. The essence of philosophy is that a man should so live that his happiness shall depend as little as possible on external things. If evil be spoken of you and it be true, correct yourself. If it be a lie, laugh at it. Practice yourself, for heaven's sake, in little things, and then proceed to greater. Control thy passions lest they take vengeance on thee. It is not he who reviles or strikes you who insults you, but your opinion that these things are insulting. Freedom is the right to live as we wish. One that desires to excel should endeavor in those things that are in themselves most excellent. Whenever you are angry, be assured that it is not only a present evil, but that you have increased a habit. If thy brother wrongs thee, remember not so much his wrongdoing, but more than ever that he is thy brother. Unless we place our religion and our treasure in the same thing, religion will always be sacrificed. Freedom is not procured by a full enjoyment of what is desired, but by controlling the desire.